guys, as you guys saw, I'm just treating myself for my birthday, so I just got Chinese food, my favorite. I'm going to buy pastry at pastry fashion. I don't know what I'm going to purchase as yet. Can you guys help me? I'm not sure what I'm going to have tonight, and you guys help me to choose, okay? Slice of red velvet. You guys, you see the cake? And my I'm waiting for my cake and they're locking me inside. Can you believe that? It's like they want me to eat up all the cake tonight. We are to have it together.
You got nobody.
No, my
I know.
I got my cake. I'm going to go home now and do my hair. So I got my food. So if you guys didn't know, Chinese food is my favorite, and red velvet and black forest cake. Yes. What's your favorite cake? Let me know, or your favorite food. I feel tired, you know, so I need for exercise. Me and Renee need for exercise. So, guys, I'm not healthy. Walking up those little steps have me tired, man. So, when I reach in the vehicle, or when I reach home, I get back to y'all. So, yeah. You guys, I just came back from the hairdresser after I bought my food. I came home, I had some of the food, so I can show y'all. I can also show y'all my cake. So basically, I just came back from the hairdresser. This what I have in is a Solar Express Yankee. This is 2 8-inch, and the hair color type is number 2. The hair feels soft and nice and everything, but this is my birthday hairstyle. I did a bob, simple bob. Tell me what y'all think about my hairstyle. Comment below, so you know what time it is, right? Food. So I'm going for my Chinese food because I'm hungry. I'm a dessert. I love my dessert. I'm sorry, my love friend. Thanks to everybody who wished me happy birthday on my socials platform. Thank you guys so much, you guys. I really appreciate it. I don't know how to thank you guys for telling me happy birthday and all. You guys are the best. Anyways, enough of me rumbling. Let's go to the food. Alright, so this is my food that I left you guys before I went and did my hair. Don't watch it because I had some, as I told you guys already. So this is just a drumstick or a leg, whatever you want to call it, sweet and sour chicken. Man use, and you know that vegetable is a must. Vegetable is good for y'all, you know. That my granny always tell me. So you must always have a veg on the side. So I'm not gonna drink now. Yes, water, nothing beats some water. So I'm going to have my, let's say, my birthday dinner. I watch some video in the meanwhile, so when I finish, I'll get back to y'all, okay? Yes, you guys, after eating my Chinese food, which is my favorite, y'all should know this already if y'all know me. That's my favorite. I'm going to show you the cake, what I bought in Sovereign this after since night. So I'm going to show you guys that right now, so give me a sec. I like the box though, it's cute, isn't it? Let me show you, because I know you guys can't see. red velvet, of course, with some coconut on the side with vanilla icing. Yeah, I'm gonna just get a taste. It's so rich and nice though. It's delicious. The cake is so delicious, you guys. I wasn't intending of having the cake tonight though. At least we get a little taste. So tomorrow we can enjoy this together. I'm gonna just put it back in the fridge. But I have a little cute box, so it's cute. So it's good. Let me put it back in the fridge. So give me a second. So I just put the cake back in the fridge. What I'm gonna do right now is to tie down my hair. I can't see me now, so as me I walk going to my room. So I'm going to my room. I'm gonna brush my teeth because eating sweets and eating food overall, it's always important to brush your teeth at night. No, I'm go over my whole shower. Yeah, so I'm go bed and brush my teeth, tie down my hair. So basically, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So basically, I'll just continue this vlog into tomorrow. It all depends. Not really sure though, but then again, I'll still see you guys in the morning. Bye. And before I go, thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes. Okay, yeah. So tomorrow, bye.